Alright, dear cousin of mine, I'm going to give you the crash course in chicken waterers. Tell you everything I know about chicken waterers. This will be a very short video. Alright, this here's the little giant. Now you said something about setting it on the ground. Well, this is what I use. This is like a soda crate. It's about half the height of a milk crate. Milk crate might be a little too tall if you got any bantam size. Definitely too tall for chicks, but for regular chickens, the milk crate will work just fine. You set it on there. Now, as you can see here, this is the 5 gallon. That's 3 gallon. That's 5 gallon. Now we got a problem. Chickens are going to want to roost on them, and then they shit in the water. So I'm going to show you what to do. This here is one of them watering pans you can get from Tractor Supply. Now, for a small 3 gallon, this here one here, the smaller size will work. And as you can see, I cut a hole in it. Put it on top. There you go. Now, for that little 3 gallon size, that'll keep them covered pretty good. You'll have to, that's a good idea to clean out your water once in a while, and you'll probably have to clean off the pan. Okay, now, if you got a bigger size, bigger pan, this size right here, go right on top. And that keeps them from shitting in the water. And they get up there all the time, so that's what I recommend. Now there you go. That's old deranged backyard chicken farmer's everything he knows about chicken waterers. And I'm sure there's a lot more. So anyway, cousin, if this helps, I hope it does. It does me good. Got any other questions, just let me know.